Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to make basil powder to use in your cooking. Here's a clip from the show. Basil, got quite a bit of basil, and I think we'll dehydrate this. I want to make some tomato sauce, this spaghetti sauce this winter, so I want to take this. So if I'm going to dehydrate it, I'll go ahead and pull the leaves off the stem and get those on the dehydrator, and then once they're dry, I'll just put them in the blender, and that'll crunch them up into a powder so that I will have some basil powder to go into some of my recipes. So that'll be fun to have that as well. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9 Week 22. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.